rain all becomes a hurricane. Twisters sweep the land, high tides hit the sand. Feel the rain, feel the snow, feel the wind, its mighty blow. Let's all sing the song of the storms. Sing a wish, have no fear, have the will and make it clear. Bravery has no end, you must reascend. Feel the hail, feel the cold, live the hell that makes us bold. Let us sing the song of the storms. All the life, all the pain, all of death is darkened rain. Grim fates from the seas, hear our song of pleas. All of hope is a lie, long ago all hope has died. Please have mercy on our souls. Please have hope, please don't die. Save our land and all our lives. All times come to end, souls must reascend. Hear our cries, hear our plea. The song of storms shall make them bleed. You are our final hope. Truly live, live the pain. Die while dancing in the rain. Terror in the sky, hear our goddess cry. Deadly winds, piercing sound, cry as heaven crashes down. Singing our song of the storms. Blinded by heavy mist, please the sun has to exist. Sleep to thunder strikes, wake to sleepless nights. Storm goes on, sharp and stiff, soon we forget how to live. Please stop the song of the storms. Hurricanes, village flood, rain spilling the goddess blood. You must make it cease, clean our skies with peace. Please our God, stop the rain. Clouds are shackled by her chain. You have brought us to demise. All the rain, it is gone. Joy and wonder till the dawn. Calm and peaceful sky, under it we lie. All the rain, it is gone. Joy and wonder till the dawn. Calm and peaceful sky, under it we lie.